Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Creative Queen X. Welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to share with you something really special. With the current pandemic going on, I just wanted to let you know guys that self-care is really important. Whether it's mental or physical well-being, both are as equally important. So today I'm going to share with you a coffee scrub. It's actually a really good exfoliant, and coffee has anti-aging properties, and it makes your skin really radiant. So if you want to know how I made this special coffee scrub over here, so keep watching this video until the end. Okay, so for this you're going to need is some sugar. I'm gonna be using about 2 small spoons, and then we're gonna need some coffee, about 2 small spoons as well, and then some coconut oil. This one is organic. You can use the liquid one as well if you want. And just mix it all in together until it forms a nice paste. Okay, so once you've got like a paste like this, as you guys can see, it's all mixed together nicely. It's ready to be used. I do this in the bathroom because actually coffee scrub can make a lot of mess. You don't want to stain your carpet or get it all over the floor. Once you're done putting the scrub on your face, leave it on for about 3 to 4 minutes on your face. Gently scrub it in between as well. Yeah, and wait for the results. The hot towel, start rubbing tightly onto your skin so that all your dead skin gets out and all the new fresh skin appears. There will be a healthy layer on your skin. As you guys can see, my skin is glowing here. I've got no makeup on, and this is how my skin is naturally glowing. You guys probably noticed my skin is a little bit kind of red, and it might be a little bit spotty, but that's okay. Give it some time, maybe 1 to 2 days, and you will see the difference. As always, thank you so much, friends, for watching. I love you all so much. Thank you guys for all your support and loving support and your comments as well. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. I would be so happy to have you here. We are a small community and I would love to grow with you. Take care of yourselves and stay happy, keep shining. Bye.